Hi guys, welcome back. We are finally going to be putting the master bedroom back together. I'm so excited because this project has taken almost 2 months. I thought it was going to take maybe a month, but the drywall ended up being way worse than we had anticipated. So it is such a relief that it's almost done. But first, I do need to head out to a few stores to get some last minute things to really pull this room together. Alright, so I got a lot of shopping done and now we need to move on to getting this room put back together. Please ignore the carpet and the trim. We're going to be getting new carpet in the next 1 to 2 months and then we'll be doing the trim after that, but we need to get the furniture put back in here so I can get back into my office because I do work from home some days. So first we're going to start with putting the bed frame together. If I had a bigger budget, I would have bought a nice bed frame with a headboard and everything, but we're kind of on a limited budget. So I just got a simple platform frame. So we're going to start with that and work from there. This has gotten so dusty from being in the other room. I know we've got drywall dust all over the house, but upstairs it is bad. Alright, we can finally start getting to making the bed. So these sheets and the bed frame I got from Walmart. And these are flannel sheets. I can't stand regular sheets. I have to have something fuzzy, even in the summer. So Yeah, I got flannel. They're like a cream color. And then this is like a burnt orange blanket that I got from actually Home Depot. I almost bought it from Nordstrom Rack, but it was actually cheaper from Home Depot. Who knew Home Depot sold blankets? So. I should have washed these first, but oh well. Alright, now it's time for the duvet cover. I've never owned a duvet, so I watched a couple of videos on how to put an insert in, so we'll see how this goes. So I need to wait for my boyfriend so I can do some of the finishing stuff, like putting up pictures and the curtains, and then also moving the other two dressers fully into place because those things are super heavy. And then I'll put all the little finishing touches on, and then this room will be complete. All right, it's the next day and we're gonna move on to doing all those finishing touches. Let's take a look back at what this room used to look like. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I'm so glad this is done. All these finishing touches have made it feel so cozy and just finished. This was such a massive project, and because it was such a massive project, we're going to be moving on to some smaller projects and just kind of back into the organizing and cleaning stuff for at least a few weeks so we can like regroup. Also decide what we want our next big project to be. So yeah, we have a lot of projects, just not sure which one we're going to do next. So, but with that, I will see you next Sunday.